Check out the Chevrolet 2017 Silverado 1500 WT Extended Cab Pickup. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Preferred Equipment Group 1 WT, Trailering Package, WT Convenience Package, 6-speaker audio system, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, AM/FM stereo with 4.2 diagonal color display and radio, AM/FM with 7 diagonal color touchscreen. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.